EBSCO user interfaces are powerful online reference tools that offer a variety of full-text databases and popular databases from leading information providers. In this tutorial, we will look at conducting a search from the basic search screen of EBSCO Host or EBSCO Discovery Service. Begin by entering your search terms in the search box. As you type, the auto-complete feature appears with popular searches that you can click to quickly run a search. You can apply any of the filters below the search box and click the magnifying glass to run your search. With filters, you can limit your results to only those that include the full text of an article, articles that are peer-reviewed, or those published within a specific range of time. You can refine your search results by applying filters. Click the All Filters button below the search box to display them. Click the arrows to open facets and display the available filters. When you are finished making selections, click the Apply button to update your results. Note that if configured by your institution, the All Filters panel may appear opened by default on the left side of the result list. On your result list, select an article to read by clicking the Access menu and selecting a full text option. If only one full text option is available, the Access button will display that. To view more information about an article, click the article title. The detailed record includes an article's citation information and links to full text when available. Use the tools at the top of the record to add the article to your saved items. Copy a citation of the article in one of several formats. Add the article to a project in your dashboard. Share a link to the article, or download the full text or article metadata in one of several formats. Click the My EBSCO link to sign into your personal account to save articles beyond the current session. To learn more about EBSCO user interfaces, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.